A very good morning to my dear children. Today, in our online class, we shall be doing Tailors and Fayol's Principles of Management. First, Taylor's Principle of Scientific Management. Taylor is considered as the father of scientific management because he laid the foundations of management as a science which consists of fundamental principles. And he also, in his principles, suggested the use of scientific methods of measurement and study for solving various managerial problems. The basic principles suggested by Taylor are: first, science not rule of thumb. This means that each and every job and the method of doing it should be based on scientific study and analysis. That means the task to be performed should be scientifically planned, material, equipment, and working conditions should be standardized. Second principle is harmony, not discord. It is generally desired that there is harmony among or a healthy cooperation between employer and employee. This can be achieved when management shares the gains of productivity with workers, and workers on their part should work with discipline and loyalty. Third principle is maximum and not restricted output. Generally, there is a conflict between management and workers, and the conflict is basically for division of surplus. Therefore, as per Taylor, this conflict can be resolved by increasing the size of surplus so that each side can have larger share. Fourth, division of work and responsibility. Management should concentrate on planning the job of workers, and workers should concentrate on performance of work. Fifth is scientific selection, training, and development of workers. Taylor suggested that workers should be selected and trained, keeping in view the job requirements. Sixth, standardization. This means that the tools, equipment, work methods, working condition must be standardized so as to improve efficiency and quality. Last is mental revolution. Taylor suggested a basic change in attitude in both employee and employers. Employee should consider employers as partners in industry, and employees must treat employers as their father figure. Now, principles of management as suggested by Fayol. Fayol has suggested 14 principles of management. The first principle suggested by Fayol is division of work. This means that the total task should be divided into compact jobs, and these compact jobs should be allocated to different persons. The only purpose behind it is that employee can concentrate on only one type of work. It is generally believed that when an individual does the same type of job repeatedly, he acquires speed and accuracy, which helps him to improve his efficiency by avoiding wastage of time and effort. Second principle suggested by Fayol is authority and responsibility. Authority means the right to get work done from others, whereas responsibility is basically an obligation or a duty to perform the assigned task. Anyone who exercises authority must accept responsibility for his work. Similarly, one who is held responsible should be given the necessary authority. Authority with responsibility leads to irresponsible behavior, while responsibility without authority will make a person ineffective. Third principle by Fayol is discipline. Discipline basically implies obedience, respect of authority, and observation of established rules and regulations. And discipline can be achieved by having good supervision at all levels, clear and fair rules and built-in system of penalties. Fourth principle is unity of command. This means that an employee should receive orders from one superior only. If a subordinate has more than one boss, dual command will undermine authority, weaken discipline, divide loyalty, and create confusion. The next principle is unity of direction. This means that each group of activities which have same objective must have one plan of action and must be under control of one superior only. There are in total 14 principles of which are suggested by Fayol. Today we have done 5. Tomorrow we shall do the rest. Thank you.